Today, we will once again take a look at interesting footage that captures a moment: how Ukrainian nighttime FPV drones track and blew up Russian soldiers' new arrivals. A Ukrainian group of strike drone operators shared a video on Facebook that showcased the operation of Ukrainian-engineered, night vision-equipped, first-person view FPV drones targeting a Russian tank and positions. The charitable foundation Wild Hornets, which is involved in the production of FPV drones for the Armed Forces of Ukraine, AFU, has developed a cost-effective solution for nighttime operations for its FPV drones. If a standard thermal imaging camera for an FPV costs $1,000, then this technical solution is only $50. The NGO has kept the exact technical details of their night vision capability close to their chests for obvious security reasons and to prevent Russian forces from adopting a similar method or devising ways to counter the drones. A Ukrainian aerial intelligence scout, speaking anonymously to Kyiv Post, highlighted the effectiveness of strike drones during nighttime attacks, citing the element of surprise against vulnerable forces. The released video demonstrates how these modified UAVs reveal themselves at night with a light, prompting Russian soldiers to attempt shooting them down with small arms. However, hitting such small and fast targets is extremely challenging, making this innovative method both cost-effective and more efficient than many conventional drones, the scout told media. The footage from the drone's camera revealed instances of interference, likely stemming from Russian attempts at electronic warfare. Discussing the video further, the source said that it showed the targeting of a Russian tank, military truck, camouflaged Russian troop positions, and soldiers taking cover within a building. Kyiv Post analysts were unable to independently verify the video's location and timing but had no reason to dispute the claims. Ukrainian troops have significantly intensified their assault operations in the Vuhledar direction of the Donetsk region, actively employing night vision carrying FPV drones, according to another aerial scout from the 58th Separate Motorized Infantry Brigade named after Hetman Ivan Vyhovsky, speaking anonymously to local media. A Russian soldier said, "Ukrainian troops brought night-capable FPV to our positions. They are actively using it, and they have increased the flight range. Now we are suffering a lot from this," he said. Ukrainian forces began targeting Ukrainian frontline troops with night-capable FPV drones at the end of 2023. Military personnel interviewed by MEDA highlighted the challenges posed by the use of such UAVs. As movements of personnel, equipment, rotations, and deliveries often occur in the gray hours, the period before dawn when it is not entirely dark. The FPV drones utilized by the Ukrainian are equipped with both light-sensitive cameras, allowing for visibility in low-light conditions, and more advanced thermal cameras. Earlier this year, Russian forces deployed FPV drones equipped with night vision cameras to target civilian buildings in Nikopol, located in the Dnipropetrovsk region. The same day, a video circulating online appears to show the moment Ukraine's forces destroyed one of Russia's newest self-propelled artillery systems. The newest Russian self-propelled gun 2S-40 Flox was destroyed, Serhiy Sternenko, a Ukrainian social activist, said on his Telegram channel, sharing a 1-minute clip of the weapon, which Russia added to its arsenal in October 2023. The 2S-40 Flox is a Russian-wheeled self-propelled 120mm mortar system that combines the capacities to be used as mortar and howitzer, and is designed to conduct fire missions against stationary and moving targets by mortar shells and high-precision projectiles, according to military website Army Recognition. Sternenko said the artillery system was destroyed near the Ukrainian city of Bakhmut, which has seen some of the fiercest clashes of the conflict, while Ukraine's military regularly releases videos showing its forces destroying Russian equipment. Moscow's military focus has recently shifted towards advancing in Ukraine's eastern Donetsk region, particularly after reclaiming the town of Avdiivka. Ukraine has released aerial footage showcasing the moment its forces successfully neutralized a Russian rocket launcher in a precision strike operation. The footage, made public by Ukraine's Ministry of Defense on Thursday, captures the destruction of Russia's RBU-6000 SMERCH-2, a formidable 213mm caliber Soviet anti-submarine rocket launcher. The strike, conducted by the 45th Artillery Brigade and the 80th Air Assault Brigade, resulted in a powerful explosion followed by flames and plumes of smoke. This comes shortly after the General Staff of Ukraine's armed forces provided insights into the toll inflicted upon Russian forces during a single day of combat. According to their estimates, Moscow suffered significant losses, including 32 artillery systems, 10 tanks, 21 armored personnel vehicles, and 2 cruise missiles. Ukrainian authorities also reported a substantial human toll, with 870 Russian soldiers reportedly lost in just 24 hours, bringing the total Russian military casualties to 449,970. Recent reports from Kyiv indicate a grim reality of daily Russian troop fatalities exceeding 1,000. However, discrepancies in casualty estimates between Ukraine and its Western allies are not uncommon, with Kyiv often reporting higher figures, and Moscow also rarely discloses detailed casualty information. Leaked assessments, such as the U.S. Defense Intelligence Agency's report from April 2023, suggest significant casualties on the Ukrainian side, with estimates ranging from 124,500 to 131,000, including thousands of fatalities. Moscow's military focus has recently shifted towards advancing in Ukraine's eastern Donetsk region, particularly after reclaiming the town of Avdiivka in February. Following Kyiv's withdrawal from Avdiivka, regarded as a crucial entry point to the Russian-occupied city of Donetsk, Russia claims to have made territorial gains in the region, capturing several villages, including Nevelski, Orlivka, Krasnoy, and the Ivanivsky settlement.